In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV using your Firestick. If you're looking to stream games directly on your TV, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To watch live football on YouTube TV with your Firestick, start by ensuring your Firestick is connected to the internet. Open the Amazon App Store on your Firestick and search for the YouTube TV app. Download and install the app, then log in to your YouTube TV account, or sign up if you're new. Once logged in, browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Select the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can use your Firestick remote to navigate, set reminders, or record games using the Cloud DVR feature. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with Firestick, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.